Did you know that you're behind financially because of your credit score? Today we're talking about what makes up your credit score, how it's keeping you stuck, and solutions to help you move forward financially. Let's dive into the conversation. Credit scores keep you broke. Here's why it's keeping you broke. First, we're gonna break down what your credit score really consists of. Your credit score consists of these 5 things: payment history, amounts owed, length of credit history, new credit, and credit mix. Let's discuss those. Your credit score consists of 35% of payment history. You borrow money and pay it back, or do you? That's what your FICO score, your credit score entails. You paying your debt back over time. Or are you doing that or not? If you are paying it back, that's helping your credit score improve. Kudos. If you aren't, your credit score is going in the toilet. That's not good for you if you're trying to build your credit. The second thing your credit score consists of is amounts owed. 30% of your credit score is affected by the amount you owe. If you owe a lot of money and haven't been paying it back, it's hurting your credit score. In fact, if you owe a lot of money and you don't pay, say you go spend it on your credit card and don't pay the entire balance, you owe interest on the balance that you didn't pay. That's why it's important to pay out the whole balance. That's affecting your credit score. The third one is length of credit history. That's 15% of your credit score. How long you been in credit, or how long you been in debt, basically. That tells you, it helps build your credit score. For me, I had a credit card for a long time, from I was like college through when I got out of college. And then when I canceled my credit card, I was like, are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. I had a long credit history. My credit score was like a 741 when I was using credit. So your length of your credit history is how long you've been in debt or using credit is affecting your credit score. And then you got 10% is new credit. How many new accounts have you opened up? 5, 10? Open up a lot, probably is lowering your score. You open up maybe not as many, probably have a better effect on your credit score. You don't want to just open new accounts up and just have them open just because my account's closed, but still, you don't want to just open up credit card accounts, not using them, because it's affecting your credit score. And credit mix means you have revolving credit and permanent credit. So revolving credit may be a credit card or a home equity line of credit, a HELOC. Permanent credit may be like a mortgage. So those things affect your credit score. So how is it affecting you and keeping you stuck financially? The second thing you're doing wrong is you're focused on borrowing money instead of building wealth. You're so focused on borrowing somebody else's money, paying interest on OPM, other people's money, which is basically interest is the cost of borrowing somebody else's money. Every time you borrow that money, you're making somebody else rich with those interest payments. Interest is income to that person and a penalty to you. So instead of focusing on paying off debt, you're focusing on how much credit can I get, or how much can I borrow without money down, or how much can I borrow with 5% down, or what is my lowest interest rate? Those are the wrong questions you're asking. You should be asking yourself, how can I pay off debt? How can I increase my income so I can pay off more debt? How can I control myself? How can I change my mindset about debt and see it as a thief opposed to keep on feeding this thing year after year? How can I stop borrowing money so I won't be broke the rest of my life? Right. You're focusing on the wrong thing. You're focusing on building somebody else's wealth by borrowing money. Why not focus on building your wealth and keeping your money? Build your wealth and stay out of debt. And the third thing you focus on is listening to other people who love debt. If you are around people who love debt, who love FICO score, who love credit, who are always talking about getting access to credit, or going into debt, or leveraging, or borrowing from your assets, borrowing from your house, borrowing from your insurance, borrowing from your business, borrowing from your mama, your daddy, your uncle, your auntie, you borrow from everybody, their mama, the banks, the lenders, you name it, they borrowing from it. And then you have people like me who want to help you get out of debt because they're the thief and keeping you broke, busted and disgusted, but you don't hear me though. All you hear people online, build your FICO, leverage, Get your points up. Get the travel miles, or whatever else they say online. Go ahead and borrow against your retirement, your 401k. Go ahead and borrow against all your assets that you have built and put yourself in debt. Keep your mortgage forever. Get a car loan, student loan, credit cards. They have 10 credit cards, run up the credit score. Get to build your business credit. All this garbage online talking about borrow money. Yeah, I said it's garbage because it is. Because people are busted, they're struggling, they got so much debt, and it's crazy. In America, we struggling. We look good, but we've got so much debt, can't even breathe. But yet, folks saying, borrow money, build your credit. You can't live without credit, can't live without debt. It's a lie. So, the solution is, first, change your mindset about how you see debt, because it's a thief. It's robbing you today, tomorrow, and in the future. But you gotta realize that though. Secondly, decide to stop borrowing money. That's right, I said make a decision today. I know I am weird, and I'm gonna stay weird until I die, because people need to hear the message of get out of debt forever and a day. Not borrow money, build credit, leverage, use OPM, go borrow against your assets. Nah, that's garbage. And then once you make a decision, see debt as a thief, you gotta put it into action and pay off your debt. If you need help, drop it in the chat below, debt free, and I'll send you information to help you pay off your debt. If you want to continue to get value, continue to watch, and I'll see you in the next video.